Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be showing you how I got this beautiful manicure at the comfort of my home. As you must have already guessed, these are not my original nails. I have applied a fake nail set which I purchased from Amazon. So in today's video, I would be showing you how even you can apply these nails at the comfort of your home without spending a lot of money. So if you're interested in seeing how to apply these fake nails, then keep on watching. I actually ordered these nails quite a while back, and that is the reason they are not in their perfect condition. The packaging was good, but because it has been a while, this is how the strand of the nail looks like. I do have all the nails with me. The set actually contains 18 nails, but as I'm going to apply these fake nails only on my left hand, so I would just be needing 5. I have all the 18 nails with me. Now I'll just pick the nail as per my requirements and then start gluing it with the help of this particular glue that is given in the set. If you're wondering why am I not using this on both of my hands, that is because I have a baby and I usually like to have my right hand nails very short so that she doesn't get hurt. Okay, so now I have opened the glue and now I am ready for the application. I honestly haven't tried these sort of nails before, but because they were really affordable, like this set was just around somewhere a little less than 300 rupees, so I wanted to give it a try. I have never tried them because I've usually had longer nails and I honestly haven't ever gone to a nail salon to get my nails done because I feel it is sort of not worth it when you can do it at home. These days you have so many options as far as the nails are concerned. You can buy these kind of kits. There are so many salons that are available. You can go to any of the salon that is present in your city, or you can even buy press-on nails online. I honestly tried the press-on nails as well, but after trying these sort of particular nails, I would be trying the press-on nails because they are a little on the pricier side as compared to these ones, but they are way too easy to apply. So now without talking, let's jump into the application of these nails and let's see how do they work. So I'll just try and start using this bigger nail which is not a part of this anymore. So I'll just try and measure this. Okay, this seems a little too big for me. Okay, these are certainly not my size. So okay, this fits nice. So these nails would look somewhat of this sort when I will be done applying them. But before applying them, I'll just clean the edges. And for that, I am taking a little cuticle nail cutter and just cutting whatever excess I have on this nail. Now I have selected this particular blue matte nail, but you can go for any color you desire. There are a lot of options available in this particular one. If you're interested in buying these, I would be linking these and the other options that are available in the description box down below. So now after cutting the edges, it does seem ready to be applied. Not too sure whether this glue is good enough or not, but because I'm testing the whole kit, I would be using this particular glue only. So just cross checking my nail once again, and this is how it will look. I don't know, maybe just apply a little bit of glue onto my nail and then just quickly fix this nail on my thumb. Okay, I have applied the glue on my nail and here I am fixing the nail. I will just press it for a few seconds and maybe that would be enough for the glue to dry. Okay, so it has been almost like 5 to 7 seconds and this seems dry. I have tried lifting it here very slightly and it does seem good. So yes, this is how my thumbnail looks like. Now I will just fast forward the process and measure all of my other nails and quickly apply these fake nails on all of my remaining fingers. Okay, so I am completely done with applying these nails. I do like the way these look, but I somehow feel a little uncomfortable having these nails. I have had long nails throughout my life, and I have never felt uncomfortable having long nails, but I don't know, these nails are making me a little conscious about my nails, and I have in my head that I need to be really careful because I have long nails or I have fake nails. So I am not too sure about how long are they going to last, but for now, yes, this is how this set looks like. I do have a lot of other nails that are still left with me. I can easily apply them 2 more times. So if you apply these nails on just one of your hands, so you can easily apply them for 3 times, and which makes it just like 100 rupees per application. That price doesn't seem too bad, but if you apply these nails on all 10 of your fingers, then you would just be able to use them once, and you would have to pay rupees 300 for a one-time application of these nails. But look how beautiful these look. They are a little unclean right here, but you can always file them as per your convenience. So yes, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked today's video. I am planning to do a lot more videos related to my nails in the coming months. So if you are interested in nail videos and nail art videos, or maybe nail polish reviews, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like today's video, then do give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.